Officer down. Officer down.
It's 1021.
Marion, 1018.
Sure.
Randy Marion.
Central rolling in that 1018.
10-4.
Hurt off the traffic stop, start towards 150. Cool. Push the CID ASAP.
It's not 64.
6800.
68.
Notify the chief, and I'll be on with you in just a minute. We're securing this scene. We're going to shut down 150.
10-4.
Responding officers shut down 150 at 21 and shut it down at Talbot Road. Shut it down at 21 at Talbot Road. 221, the units behind me, shut traffic down at Talbot. Oh. Central 27 on 37071263. 37071263.
10-4. Jimbo.
60, I'm right behind the Mooresville supervisor. Now with him in just a sec, I'll let you know. What he wants us to do, where he needs us. Thank you.
I copy.
85 to 61. Now on 9 85.
For that vehicle, now.
What does that vehicle come back to?
210 Central, go ahead and notify on-call CID, and I'm going to go ahead and lead the FBI route.
Blue Honda Civic with front end damage on the left front.
10-4.
Passing east on 150. East on 150.
10-4. I have a witness.
Find out where EMS is at.
10-4.
The closest unit to bring them in, code 3.
10-4.
Central, have Statesville go by this suspect's house.
10-4.
Heavy front end damage on a vehicle.
200 Civic, find it now.
Copy. Here's McLeod, I got them coming back at you. I'm rerouting them down to you. Let them through. All units working traffic, move your traffic to channel 2. All units working traffic, moving to channel 2. Going eastbound, out of here so I can get the ambulance through that hole.
All Mooresville units, I need you to take direction from 221. Everybody needs to calm down. You're not helping, freaking out.
Yeah, I have 68, 69, 64 en route to you.
68, 69, stay 10-8 right now. 60 southern units, 61's down there with Mooresville, 64 and 67 the system. I'm en route there. We got lead units open to cover our calls too. Before 27, here, James back. Therefore, I think they put out a vehicle description. Just find out if they got a perimeter set where they need you. Got it. Get a picture for me.
We got people here. We got people here standing by for safety.
Hey, Temple. K9, you going to need station 8 or head back toward the middle? 85 and around, I just dropped that 42. 223, get some statement forms also. Central, fire is 1023. We're still waiting on EMS. Fire is 1023.
10-4.
Turn around, go down there and relieve Mooresville. Go shell 150 down for
61, 18's behind me en route also, if you need them.
leave them at Howard Road. Help them out.
One's copy.
Howard. 50 is Howard. 150 is Howard.
Station 1, I'm getting off at 150 now.
Sure, just go there and I'll be there short. Somebody shut it down ASAP. Let's get Mooresville where they can do what they need to do. Relieve Mooresville. Shut it now. Let's get him freed up.
160, just let me know what you need. I'm southbound here at 50. Careful.
Oakwood and Rogers Lake.
Come code 3.
221 to several Mooresville units. Go to 144 Scenic Drive. Any available units. That's where the 28 comes back to. And see if that vehicle is there.
At least 3 units. No less than 3 units to Scenic Drive.
$210 Central. If we have units respond to Scenic Drive, just have them set up a perimeter and hold tight.
10-4, any units responding to Scenic Drive, set up a perimeter. Advise dispatch who is going so we know who's on scene.
227's around.
124 route.
125. 226.
If that vehicle is there, surround it and do not let it leave.
163, if you can hear me, switch over to channel 2.
163 is on channel 2.
Hey, Josh, his car is going to be roped off, but I just need you to get the dog. So if you need to stop by the PD and get something like a cage or something or extra harness or something, you won't be able to take anything out of his car but the dog.
Simple.
Officer and several more officers in right.
Copy that. 85 now.
64, 61. I came down all the way Oak Ridge up to here. Did not see anything.
I'll help you out.
I'm sorry you're going to preach yourself.
We need a clear line down 150 westbound here in just a second outside the crime scene.
Civil.
41 en route.
9 to 61. You want me to go 67? I'm at 150. You're going to need to come to y'all.
You're not going to be able to get down 150, but go with 67 in case you need your partner.
Careful.
String route 5.
And 918 and get the blue Civic with front end damage.
Still.
Home.
Fires his way.
Do you need anything from Troutman?
Not at this point. You can check with Mooresville and see if they want to request them. I don't know that they need anything at this point, though.
Mooresville.
Central, give me that address one more time.
One 44 Scenic Drive, 144 Scenic Drive.
What was the 20 of a Civic out here with front end damage?
5. Where you at?
Get through the line. They're gonna need you. Hey, go under.
I just asked for that.
Well, any units that are headed to that location, if you locate that car, let me know.
967. 85, a few minutes out from you, 14.
Do you know where the Civic is?
Central, we have the vehicle.
10-4.
210 Central. If they got that vehicle, we're going to set up the perimeter. Go ahead and start activating SRT if you would.
10-4.
Central, confirm tag, Edwards, John, Mary, 9018. EJM, 9018.
Yes.
10-4.
We have an apartment number.
Central 222, do you want me to get a hold of the management and get an apartment number?
Yeah, 10-4. Did you activate SRT already?
Working on it now.
10 Rodriguez.
Go ahead.
He's gonna go toward the interstate.
Hey, go ahead and make sure you just hold it, brother. Get SRT en route.
You want?
We're on Scenic. See if we get the location on Mooresville.
They're activated. There's 13. I don't know where they want the perimeter's at right now. They've got the suspect vehicle at the apartment he's supposed to be in. Or did you copy? I was trying to call you.
He looks to be either Hispanic or Indian male, says 5'4", black hair, brown eyes. He's wearing some sunglasses. He looks like he's possibly in the range of 150 to 160 pounds.
Temple, we need a unit out back.
Here they come.
68, all 9, go ahead.
Move the road traffic to patrol so they can have the main.
Okay, well, we're going for now.
Sage, get some cover.
Sage, if you went to the back, I want you up here on the front behind this tree. That is your cover.
$222. We need some people on this back. We got cover back here too.
All right, well, if you can go down to the lower court and make your way up, you also got I believe there's a ravine right there, and it's about maybe 15, 20 yards, and just sit up there and watch. He could be in this wood line also.
Campbell. Sage, where is that you right there with that flashlight? That's me.
The 612 coming to town. Where do you need me?
Central, what was the address for the vehicle on Scenic?
All it has is 144 Scenic Drive. There is no apartment number on the vehicle or the OL.
Ten four, thank you.
210 Central, what address are they out at?
We're at 144 Scenic Drive. 144 Scenic Drive.
10-4, drones en route to you here shortly.
163 Central. I'm on West Iredell approaching the PD. Am I responding to Rainy Mary and PBA?
Where y'all at?
Rear of the apartments. If you're talking about on Scenic, that's going to be me.
All right, 10-4. I'm not sure what all you got, but I can go ahead and activate the whole crew that I work with, whatever extra help we need.
Ryan, I think we're good here on scene now. We got enough to cover this apartment waiting on SRT to get here.
Of the apartments.
Where you at? 144 Scenic Drive.
Drones en route.
Hey, Rod, you got everybody on all corners of this building on your side. We're good in the back.
10-4.
Two 221. You good on Scenic?
Yeah, we got sufficient here. I got multiple deputies here.
10-4.
Did you need the drone out on Scenic?
10-4.
Hey, Rod, if you need to leave for SRT, I'll come relieve you in the front.
I'm good right now.